The unreachable error on your Schlage Encode Plus means the lock can't connect to Wi-Fi or sync with your app, preventing remote access and home key functionality. This issue affects roughly 15 to 20% of users and stems from Wi-Fi connectivity disruptions. Let's troubleshoot. The Schlage Encode Plus connects using 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi frequency. Ensure your lock has strong signal strength. Aim for Meta 60 decibels per milliwatt or better. Interference from devices like microwaves or cordless phones can disrupt the connection. Try moving your router closer to improve signal strength. Or use a Wi-Fi range extender to boost coverage. Verify all devices are properly connected in your network. Make sure your router's firmware is up to date. Congested Wi-Fi channels can also cause problems. Consider switching to a less crowded channel in your router settings. For optimal results, make sure you switch the router to a 2.4 GHz only channel, since it can have issues connecting when using multiple bands. Sync problems often stem from token mismatches in the Schlage Home app. To resolve this, log out and back in to refresh your authentication tokens. For home key issues, which rely on secure element chips in your iPhone, make sure your device is updated to the latest iOS version. This ensures proper pairing and firmware updates. If issues persist, reset the lock's network settings by holding the Schlage button for approximately 10 seconds. This clears corrupted data and allows reconnection. After completing these steps, your Schlage Encode Plus should reconnect to the network and sync with the app and home key. Try power cycling the lock by removing and reinserting the batteries. The Schlage Encode Plus requires 4 LA batteries for operation. If problems persist, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 30 seconds. This clears any corrupted data that might be causing the unreachable error. Multiple smart home devices can cause IP address conflicts when they compete for the same address on your network. To resolve this, assign a static IP address to your Schlage Encode Plus in your router settings. Keep your network tidy by reducing interference and maintaining clean device connections. Regular firmware updates are crucial for bug fixes and performance improvements. Check for updates in the Schlage Home app. These updates often address connectivity issues and improve compatibility with other smart home devices. As of late 2025, version 10.2.4 improves WPA3 protocol support. Looking ahead, the future of smart locks like the Schlage Encode Plus brings exciting advancements in AI-driven diagnostics and self-healing capabilities. AI-driven diagnostics will allow locks to automatically detect and diagnose connectivity issues, predicting problems before they occur. Self-healing capabilities mean locks will automatically reconnect to Wi-Fi networks without any user intervention, resolving unreachable errors on their own. Battery technology advancements, such as lithium-ion options, will extend lockup time and reduce power-related disconnections. Encrypted offline modes will provide secure access even without internet, improving both privacy and reliability in offline scenarios. As Matter protocol adoption increases across smart home devices, interoperability will improve, leading to a significant decline in unreachable errors. These innovations will make smart locks more reliable and user-friendly, minimizing connectivity issues in the years ahead.